Let's enjoy ramen in Japanese. How many types of ramen soup do you know? There are mainly 4. Do you like shoyu? Soiso. Shoyu ramen is the most common in the main island. It's my favorite. Shio salt. Shio ramen is also popular here. Do you like miso? Soybean paste? Miso ramen is the most famous from Hokkaido, and I tried it when I went skiing. And tonkotsu soup is broth from pork bone. Actually, tonkotsu ramen is the most popular in the UK. Which one is your favorite? If you see tonkotsu ramen on the menu and want to order it in Japanese, do it! Don't be shy because most Japanese people really appreciate your effort and then treat you more nicely. The expressions and the etiquette at a Japanese restaurant are from the Master Speaking Japanese course, Part 1, Lesson 1, Introduction Lesson video. By the way, my students told me they like tonkatsu ramen. Do you know tonkatsu? Not tonkotsu. This is not a type of soup, it's a topping of pork cutlet. I've been teaching Japanese for 20 years. Please call me Arai Sensei. Master Speaking Japanese, www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.